Alright, this is a 1993 International 4900 DT4, or yeah, 4900 with a DT466 in it. We sold this truck back in 2020. We went to pick it up. It had some blow-by and didn't realize it in the summertime we photoed it. So bought it back from the buyer and took it to Peterbilt, had the engine redone, cleaned it up. It does have a rear tailgate. It's inside the bed. That's a salt spreader. This truck was owned by Eagle County in Colorado. Has 76,000 original miles, and then it was bought by a ranch over by Telluride and or Norwood. They used it for a little bit and had us sell it for them. Plow, everything works, and yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Clean it up. The bed's not rusted out at all. It's nice. It's an automatic with an Allison in it. It really is. It's ready to go. So you can see the pictures. I took some pictures today, and we've got it listed on there with it cleaned up. But you can see how it was before. And there's not much difference other than the engine's been redone by Peterbilt in Grand Junction, and just cleaned it up some. That's about it. So she's ready to go to work.